our best in every area. And if we win, we praise Him. And if we lose, we praise Him.
Keep going, Brock. Come on. Burn. Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit. For the rest of your life, you will remember today. I want you to remember that you held nothing back. You did not lose heart. You did not stop fighting. You did not quit.
Moment of silence for the champions, for those who make going hard a lifestyle. Never wait for nothing, gotta get it right now. I'm in the spotlight when they turn the lights down. Only a champ swing the hardest in the 12th round. I love the 4th quarter, I love the 9th inning, I love game 7. Bring on the competition, cause in my heart can't nobody do it better. Can't slow me down, won't stop me never. I'm so Cassius Clay, I'm Tyson in his prime. You little league with, I'm Barry Bonds with mine. I beat the buzzer, baby, my stroke is hole in one. You see the checkered flag, finish line, here I come. And I ain't gotta brag, I let the trophies do it. Around here we the best, now come and hold me to it. I specialize in everything that can't be done. Ain't no more talking about it. Moment of silence for the champion.
They say we warriors, they say we did it again.
Hands high for the champion.
We are victorious, we only in it to win.
Stand up for the champion.
No surrender, no retreat. We take the battlefield over every time.
Hey, clap your hands for the champion.
We came, we saw, we conquered everything in sight.
Moment of silence for the champion.
Ayo, ayo, ayo. That's the sound you hear from the crowd when we come through.
They screaming.
Ayo, ayo, ayo. We run the town here, can't you tell when we come through?
They screaming.
Champions, we are champions.
They screaming.
Champions, we are champions. Can't nobody handle us up there, ain't no competitors. No wonder why we are the champions. They say we warriors, they say we did it again.
Hands high for the champion.
We are victorious, we only in it to win.
Stand up for the champion.
No surrender, no retreat. We take the battlefield over every time.
Hey, clap your hands for the champion.
We came, we saw, we conquered everything in sight.
Moment of silence for the champion.
Hey.